हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज का हमारा टॉपिक है रिवर्स ऑफ इंडिया। इसमें हम 50 मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस करेंगे फॉर कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स। ये सारे कवर करेगा जेके एसएसबी, जेके पीएससी, यूपीएससी, एसएससी एंड यूजीसी नेट। टॉपिक इसमें ये सारे कवर करेंगे हम। सो हमारा जो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, ओरिजिन सेक्शन फर्स्ट है, वो है ओरिजिन ऑफ रिवर्स। सो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, द रिवर गंगा ओरिजिनेट्स एज द भागीरथी रिवर फ्रॉम विच ग्लेशियर। कौन से ग्लेशियर से रिवर गंगा ओरिजिनेट होती है? तो ये गंगोत्री ग्लेशियर, सबको पता है। द इंडस रिवर ओरिजिनेट्स नियर विच लेक इन तिब्बत। लेक मानसरोवर, पैंगोंगसो, राकसताल या फिर सोमवती। इसका आंसर है लेक मानसरोवर। नेक्स्ट, द ब्रह्मपुत्र इज नोन एज यालुम साम्पो इन तिब्बत एंड ओरिजिनेट्स फ्रॉम विच ग्लेशियर? गंगोत्री, आंगसी, जेमू एंड मिलम। तो इसका आंसर है आंगसी ग्लेशियर। नेक्स्ट, द यमुना रिवर ओरिजिनेट्स फ्रॉम विच ग्लेशियर इन उत्तराखंड? गंगोत्री ग्लेशियर, सतोपंथ, यमुनोत्री या पिंदरी ग्लेशियर? तो इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर है यमुनोत्री ग्लेशियर, बंदरपूंछ पीक। Next had the Narmada River originates from which plateau? मालवा, छोटा नागपुर, अमरकंटक या डेक्कन? इसका आंसर है अमरकंटक प्लेट्यू। नेक्स्ट, विच रिवर ओरिजिनेट्स एट त्रिम्बकेश्वर इन ब्रह्मगिरी हिल्स नियर नासिक, महाराष्ट्र? कृष्णा, गोदावरी, तापी या भीम? तो इसका आंसर है गोदावरी रिवर। ठीक है। द नेक्स्ट, the Krishna River originates near Mahabaleshwar in which mountain range? कृष्णा रिवर कहाँ से ओरिजिनेट होती है? सतपुरा, विंध्या, वेस्टर्न या रावली? इसका आंसर है वेस्टर्न घाट्स। नेक्स्ट है, द कावेरी रिवर ऑफन कॉल्ड द गंगा ऑफ द साउथ ओरिजिनेट्स इन ब्रह्मगिरी हिल इन विच स्टेट? इसका आंसर है, ऑप्शन है तमिलनाडु, केरला, कर्नाटका एंड आंध्र प्रदेश। कर्नाटका इसका आंसर है। नेक्स्ट, द महानदी रिवर ओरिजिनेट्स नियर सिहावा इन द हाईलैंड्स ऑफ विच स्टेट? ओडिशा, झारखंड, छत्तीसगढ़ या महाराष्ट्र? आंसर इज छत्तीसगढ़। विच which river originates from the Aravalli Range near Mehsana, Gujarat and flows from south to north before turning west? इसका आंसर है साबरमती रिवर। नेक्स्ट इज सेक्शन है हमारी ट्रिब्यूटरीज एंड डिस्ट्रीब्यूटरी। Which of the following is the right bank tributary of Ganga? Son. The Chenab River is formed by confluence of which two streams at Tandi in Himachal Pradesh? So इसका आंसर है चंद्र एंड बागा। Next, which five rivers after joining together form the Panjnar before merging with the Indus at Mithankot in Pakistan? इसका आंसर है सबर, चैन, झेलना। सबर, SBRCH, चैन, झेलना। इसको इस तरह से याद रख सकते हो। which is Next question is, which is the largest tributary of Yamuna river? यमुना रिवर की लार्जेस्ट ट्रिब्यूटरी चंबल, बेतवा, टोन्स एंड केन। टोन्स सबसे बड़ी है। The Cane and Betwa River linked under India's first river interlinking project. It is on which river? Ganga, Yamuna, Chambal, Sona. Answer is Yamuna. Which of the following is not a tributary of Godavari River? Godavari River की tributary कौन सी है? Bhim. Which river is the principal tributary of Krishna, joining it on its left bank? Tributary called the Bhima. Tungabhadra. The Subansiri, Dihang and Lohit are major tributaries of which river? Ganga, Mahanadi, Brahmaputra or Godavari? Answer is Brahmaputra. DDLK से हम उसकी ट्रिब्यूटरीज को याद कर सकते हैं। A distributory differs from tributary in that distributory में क्या डिफरेंस होता है? Join branches off from the main river and carry water away from it, typically in a delta. Next, in its delta region, the Ganga spreads into Bhagirathi, Hooghly, flowing through West Bengal, and which other major distributary that flows into Bangladesh? Padma, Meghna, Surma, Tista. Answer is Padma. States through which rivers flow? The Narmada River flows through which sequence of states before draining into अरेबियन सी? तो इसका आंसर है मध्य प्रदेश, देन महाराष्ट्र एंड गुजरात। नेक्स्ट इज, which river flows through Maharashtra, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand and Odisha? इसका ऑप्शन है महानदी, गोदावरी, ताप्ती एंड इंद्रावती. आंसर इज महानदी. द चंबल रिवर नोन फॉर इट्स badlands ravines flow through which states? Chambal rivers flow through Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh and Uttar Pradesh. Next is which river forms part of the border between India and Pakistan before entering Pakistan, also referred to as Sindhu? Satluj, Indus, Ravi and Chenab. Answer is Indus. The Tapti River, a best flowing peninsular river, passes through which states? Answer is Tapti River. It starts from Madhya Pradesh, then Maharashtra and then Gujarat. Which rivers flows through Himachal Pradesh, Punjab and form part of the India-Pakistan border before joining the Chenab in Pakistan? Option Byas, Satluj, Ravi and Jhelum. Answer is Satluj. The Kaveri rivers flow through which states before reaching the Bay of Bengal? Kaveri River. Answer is Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. Next is next question is the Jhelum River, a major tributary of Indus, flows through which UT entering before entering Pakistan, Jammu and Kashmir. Next section D, important cities on river banks. So in this first question is question number 29. Varanasi, Kashi, one of the oldest continuously inhabited cities in the world, on the bank of which river? Option Yamuna, Ganga, Gomti and Son. And the answer is Ganga. Next question. Srinagar, the summer capital of Jammu and Kashmir, is located on the bank of which river? Indus, Chenab, Jhelum and Ravi. Answer is Jhelum. Next, Hyderabad, the capital of Telangana, is located on bank of which river? Krishna, Godavari, Musi and Tungabhadra. Answer is Musi. Agra, famous for the Taj Mahal, lies on the bank of which river? Ganga, Chambal, Yamuna and Betwa. Answer is Yamuna. Kolkata, the capital of West Bengal, is situated on the eastern bank of which river or distributary? Answer is Hooghly River. Next question. Guwahati, the largest city of Assam, is located on the bank of which river? Subhanshree, Brahmaputra, Barak or Manas? The answer is Brahmaputra. Next question. Prayagraj, Allahabad, is famous for the Triveni Sangat, the confluence of three rivers, Ganga, Yamuna and the mythical underground river, which Saraswati River. Next is Nashik, where the next question is Nasik, where the Kumbh Mela is also held, is located on the bank of which river? Tapi, Godavari, Krishna or Bhima? The answer is Godavari River. Next section, river valleys and basins. Which peninsular river has the largest river basin in India, covering roughly 10% of the country's total area? Krishna, Godavari, Mahanadi or Narmada? The answer is Godavari. Next question. The Narmada and Tapi rivers are unique among major peninsular rivers because they flow westwards through a rift valley into the Arabian Sea. Option number C is the answer. Next question. The Ganga Basin, the largest river basin in India by area within the country, covers how much area? Answer is 8.6 lakh square kilometer. Which drainage pattern, exemplified by the Amarkantak region, where the Narmada and Son Mahanadi tributary originate and flow in different direction, is most appropriate? Drainage pattern, it's radial pattern. Loktak Lake in Manipur, into which surrounding streams coverage converge, is a classical Indian drainage pattern. Centripetal. The Hirakud Dam, the longest earthen dam in the world, is built on which river and forms part of which river basin? So, option Mahanadi, Godavari, Damodar and Krishna. Answer is Mahanadi River. Next question. Which river basin is associated with Damodar Valley Corporation, India's first river valley project modeled on the Thames Valley Authority? Answer is Damodar. Which of the following river basins lies entirely within peninsular India and is drained by an inland system in parts of Rajasthan, eventually disappearing into Run of Kutch? Answer is Luni Basin. It disappears in Run of Kutch. Next section, rivers in current affairs. The Ken Betwaling project, India's first interlinking project under implementation, threatens which protected area? Panna Tiger Reserve. Under the National Perspective Plan for interlinking of rivers, the components are broadly divided into the Himalayan component and which other component? Answer is peninsular component. Next question. The 1960 Indus Water Treaty, brokered by the World Bank, allocates the waters of the West to the Indus, Jhelum, and Chenab to Pakistan and eastern rivers to India. Answer is India. Which proposed river link project has faced protest over the potential displacement of tribal communities and was suspended around 2022 due to opposition? Answer is Tapi Narmada link. Next question. The Hindon River, increasingly described in recent reports as toxin drain due to industrial and sewage pollution, is a tributary of which major river? Ganga, Yamuna, Chambal, Betwa. Answer is Yamuna River. Next question. The apex body proposed in 2021 to replace the National Water Development Agency as implementing authority for river interlinking projects is called the National Interlinking of River Authority. So this is all. Comment your score out of 50. How much score you have got. So if you like my video, please like, share, and also subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.